Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So today our topic is how we can add a UI kit in a Swift UI project. So we are going to add a Safari View controller on a button click. So how can we do that? So let me explain this thing. So basically here you can see we have a screen here. When we click on learn more button, then it will show us a detail of that framework. So let's start with our work. First we have to create a UIKit view controller which we have to open. So for that we have to create a new UI file which is a Swift file. So how we can do that? Click new, just go to file, click new and click on file, choose iOS and then Swift file, click next and write the name of your Safari View controller. So I am going to create it Safari View and click create. So after created a file, you can see a empty file here. So we have to do 2 or 3 libraries to add. First one is SwiftUI. The second one is Safari services. Okay, after that we need to create a struct. Name of struct is Safari View. And we will implement UI view controller representable. Okay, we have to create a URL of type URL. Okay, when you create this, it will give you the error to create some function for that, but it will not directly create that. So what you have to do, you have to implement 2 functions. One is create make UI view controller and the other one is update UI view controller. So we have to implement these 2 functions. Instead of this context, we will use UI view controller representable context with a Safari view, and instead of this sum view controller we will use SF Safari view controller. Okay, also we need to change here as well. So instead of this we need to use this one. So we'll copy and paste it here. Sorry, not here. Here we need to use a Safari view controller, which is this one, and for context we need to use this one, UI view controller representable context, and we will pass Safari view. Okay, now here you can see the error which is giving this one is resolved now. Now we have to return something in this function. So we need to return this URL. So it will open a URL which we are sending. So we'll use SF Safari View Controller, and in URL we will send a URL. So here you can see we have created a view controller with all the functionalities which we have to open this. So moving to the next one, we have to go to our view controller, and here we need to open a sheet and context. So for is presented, we need to uh, show a variable which is add state private variable is showing Safari view equals false. Okay, on the button click, we will changing it to is Safari view equals to true, and here we need to write is showing Safari view, and in context we need to write down a view controller which we need to open. So we will use Safari view with a URL. So our URL will be framework dot URL string. So we need to put the $sign here, and here you see it's giving the error. Yes, we need to wrap up in a URL. And force unwrap this, so it will resolve the issue. So we need to run this app and check if that works. So when we click on ARKit, it will open the detail view screen, and when we click on learn more, it will open a Safari view controller. Okay, with the explanation of ARKit 6. If we just close this and open a new one, CloudKit, it will open a CloudKit description. So hopefully you learned something in today's video. And one last thing, if you want to do just default value for this, so you can use this as well. So if URL is missing or giving some error, so it will give you a default value of that. Okay, hopefully you enjoy the video, and if you do, please subscribe our channel. And if you want to learn more related to SwiftUI and UIKit in iOS, please comment down below which topic you need me to cover in next video. So thanks for watching and happy coding. We will see you in the next video.